Hey folks, welcome to the rate update with Dan Frio. Today is February 25th, 2022, and the markets are all over the map. So I'm going to bring you up to speed on what's going on for today. Let's get to it. So what's the news that we have out today? So there's only one really indicator that was out that we really pay attention to, and that is pending home sales, and they are way down. It should be no shock to anybody because it's that time of year where they're usually down and slow, and we continue to have no inventory due to supply chain issues and what I always said, the forbearance issues. And I'm going to have an update on forbearances. I'm going to tweak my forecast on there. I did make a mistake, and I'm going to fill you in later this afternoon on what I made a mistake on in my new outlook. So that's what the news is today in regards to the economic calendar. So let's see. This is pending home sales. I'm going to put this down in the description below so you guys can check out the pending home sales if you're interested. But why do people come to my channel? Right here, where are mortgage rates today? So I won't go over it. Hopefully I've been explaining it to you guys on a daily basis, how to read things. So let's get into it. As you can see across the board, we had a little reprieve yesterday in rates, and everybody was like, Dan, you said when the MBSs go up, or when Russia invades, we should see an ease in rates. Well, we did a little bit, okay? I still think a lot of lenders are holding back. When rates drop, most companies are really reluctant to drop, especially in an environment like this, because it is such a seesaw effect going on. But let's go over to it. The 30-year fix came in at 4.17, down 2 basis points. Still right here, I want you guys to focus. It does come with costs. So we're at 4.25 or more in that realm. Okay, we're just below the 52-week high of 417 that we hit yesterday. Go across the board, 15-year fix at 3.42, down 2 basis points. And also comes in with points. All right, the 30-year FHA/VA. Now I'm going to pause, guys, just so you guys know. These are not my rates. These are rates that are issued by Mortgage News Daily. They survey lenders all over the country, and this is what they come up with. So to find your unique specific valid interest rate, I need you guys to reach out to us. I'm going to give you that information at the end of the video. But if you do find value in my channel, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell when I post a video. You get an alert. Hope you'll watch them. Okay, so now let's get back to the rate sheets. We have FHA/VA is 3.75. That comes with, you see, no points. Okay, great. The 30-year jumbo is 3.65, no points. And the 5-year ARM is coming in at 3.71, no change on that, or the jumbo or the FHA/VA from yesterday. And that comes in with a 0.5 point. Again, these are not my rates. These are surveyed all over the country. You go down to the trend and we're neutral. So there's nothing too much today that the markets are really panicking over other than the Russian situation. Let's go to see where MBSs are. We're at 3. Let's refresh it so we know what's going on. And again, it looks flat here. We opened the day pretty bad. It was down like 20 and I couldn't figure it out. And then we rallied back. So let's go over to the view that I watch. You can see it right here. We're down 2. Okay, we're down 2 right here. This is where we were down much more than 2 when we opened the gate. So we had a nice rally. I'm waiting for all the all the lenders to post before I start reviewing to see if we're going to lock in anybody today. The cool feature with this thing too is it also tells me what lenders are doing what. So Quicken just got better by just a little bit. Their rates usually stink anyways, so any reprieve there helps them. But that's one company we really don't use because they just don't have the rates that we were looking for. All right, so that's what we got there. We just added a bunch of things to our website. So you go here. If you're a realtor out there, want to get involved in our referral program, click this button, click the realtor button. What it's going to do is it'll open up this. Well, I'm logged in with a Gmail account already right here, but if you're not, you're going to have to log into a Gmail account if you don't have one. Let's say, for example, you don't have one. What I ask you to do is just email me saying, hey, Dan, I'm really interested in the realtor referral program you have, and we talk a little bit more about that. So email me at dan@therateupdate.com, and I promise you I'll get back to you. Same thing with a lot of loan officers. A lot of loan officers are getting let go right now. I'd like to talk to you. Maybe you're a good fit for the Frio team or Nexa Mortgage. Okay, do that same thing here. Click there, and you're going to go to the mortgage advisor button. Otherwise, email me. Other features, scroll down, it's pretty cool. This is blowing up the charts here. People are entering their information here and getting their true value of their home plus much, much more. So check that out. We don't sell the data. It just gives you a lot of feedback and a lot of tools for you to use. There's a cost for it that I pick up. There's no charge to you. Scroll a little bit down and you're going to see rates get posted daily and they continue to stay live. So if you're interested in the rates that I go over every morning, this is where you can find those as well as the MBAs. Okay. And another thing, this is little discreet. Pretty cool though. You're going to go down through here. You can either subscribe to my newsletter, view my newsletter, or the most recent one that just went out. You click it. We're going to go here. And there it is. So check those out as well. Very nice features that we keep adding on daily. So that is my report for the morning, the opening bell, so you know where you're at. I'm going to condense a lot of things and also give a recast of what my numbers look like for 2022 in regards to housing and how I have a little bit of change on the forbearance, maybe to the better, maybe to the worse. So check out that later this afternoon. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.